Hi, my name is Ram, and I made this. I know I'm pivoting to a new direction this year, but I would also like to share my artistry beyond fashion. I made this piece back in 2023 entitled Taking a Leap of Faith. Na-inspire ako sa kwentuhan namin ng kaibigan ko. Sabi niya, love is like a swing. Minsan nakakatakot, minsan exciting, pero kailangan mo lang magtiwala. I painted that metaphor in suspension, forever frozen between fear and freedom. Because I think love is unpredictable. And the basis for that statement is that people change quite often, as it seems, which is unfortunate. Although at the same time, love pushes us to take that leap. Love for a person, a thing, or a dream. They are still in motion, and maybe that's the exciting part. Are they going left or are they going right? For me, ito yung moment ng pagtitiwala. Ikaw, are you willing to take that leap?